Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wondered, how expensive does this look? Then you're in the right place. If you're on the hunt for a chic yet budget-friendly style, this video is made just for you. In today's world, everyone wants to look fashionable while also being mindful of their wallet. That's where color combinations come into play. Today, I'll be sharing color combinations that will not only elevate your wardrobe, but also your sense of style. With just a few key colors, you can always create that high fashion look. In the next few minutes, you'll learn about various color combinations and how to use them, plus some style tips and personal experiences. If you're ready, let's dive right in. Cream and brown combination. First up, let's start with the timeless combination of cream and brown. Cream offers a light, airy feel, while brown adds warmth and depth. This duo provides a classic and timeless elegance. For example, pairing a cozy cream sweater with sleek brown trousers can give you a standout look, whether it's for casual outings or an office setting. Picture yourself walking into a meeting with this combo. All eyes will be on you. The best part? Cream and brown shades are versatile enough for every season. Lighter fabrics in spring and summer, thicker, cozier ones in fall and winter. Clean lines and well-made fabrics will elevate this look even further. You can complete the outfit by adding a cream handbag or brown shoes. Remember, the details matter. Navy blue and white combination. Next up, the navy blue and white combo is a great pick for adding sophistication. Navy gives a rich, deep tone, while white adds freshness and sharpness. A navy blazer paired with a white blouse works perfectly for both work and casual settings. When you try this combo, you'll truly feel that high fashion vibe. When you show up to a gathering wearing this, not only will you stand out, but you'll also receive lots of compliments. Navy and white become even more interesting when combined with different textures. Imagine a navy skirt paired with a white t-shirt. It's an effortlessly stylish look for even a casual hangout. This combo is widely available, from navy dresses to white shirts. Don't forget to accessorize to complete the look. Black and gold combination. If you're aiming for a more dramatic look, the black and gold combo is your go-to. Black is always a sleek and elegant choice, while gold accents bring a touch of luxury. By pairing a simple black dress with gold jewelry, you can instantly create a stunning chic look. This combination is perfect for a dinner or a special event. The beauty of black and gold is how versatile both colors are. For example, a black blazer with gold buttons creates a striking look. Or you can mix things up with black trousers and a gold accented blouse. You can also add a gold handbag or shoes to finish the look. Remember, luxury is often found in the details, so choose your accessories carefully. Blush and grey combination. For a more romantic vibe, the blush and grey combo is a fantastic option. Blush adds a soft touch, while grey offers a modern contrast. Pairing a grey sweater with a blush skirt gives you a look that's both chic and comfortable. This combination is versatile enough for both everyday wear and special occasions. Blush and grey also work wonderfully in transitional seasons. Layering these colours in spring and fall gives you a chic and cozy appearance. Playing with different textures will enhance your look. For example, a blush blouse paired with a grey jacket adds both style and warmth. Olive green and beige combination. For those who love natural tones, olive green and beige make a perfect pair. Olive green offers a rich depth, while beige provides a soft balance. This combo is ideal for both casual and dressy looks. Imagine pairing an olive green jacket with a beige blouse. You'll look amazing whether you're at work or hanging out with friends. Olive green and beige are great for achieving a natural, relaxed look. An olive green dress paired with a beige belt or bag can complete your outfit. This combination works especially well in the fall, blending perfectly with nature's colors. Plus, these shades are widely available, so you can easily find pieces that suit your budget. Burgundy and blush combination. Burgundy offers a rich depth, while blush balances it with softness, creating a beautiful harmony. A burgundy blazer paired with a blush blouse is a great choice for both day and evening events. This combination also adds a sense of warmth during the winter months. Burgundy and blush are ideal for creating both a romantic and elegant look. This combination works well for special occasions and everyday wear alike. For instance, a burgundy dress paired with blush shoes elevates your style. The deep richness of burgundy, when balanced with blush, creates a stunning aesthetic. Don't forget, the right accessories are key to completing this look. Forest green and navy combination. Forest green and navy offer a blend of luxury and sophistication. Forest green, inspired by nature, provides a deep tone, while navy is always a chic choice. Imagine wearing a forest green dress paired with a navy jacket. You'll stand out in any setting. This combo is especially great during the winter months. Pairing a forest green sweater with navy pants gives you a look that's both stylish and comfortable. Playing with different textures, like a forest green suede jacket and navy trousers, adds extra interest to the outfit. Mustard yellow and grey combination. Mustard yellow brings warmth to your look, while grey provides a balanced contrast. A mustard sweater paired with grey trousers creates a look that's both cheerful and stylish. This combo is especially great for fall, harmonizing with the season's colors. Mustard yellow can be a bold choice, so carefully selecting your accessories is key. For example, a mustard bag paired with a grey dress creates a unique style. This color combo works well for both casual and more formal occasions. Lavender and white combination. Lavender's soft pastel tones create a gentle, stylish vibe. Paired with white, your look becomes fresh and light. A lavender dress with a white blazer is perfect for summer days. This color combination works beautifully in spring and summer. A lavender t-shirt with white shorts creates an easy, relaxed look. Don't forget, layering these colors will give you a modern, chic style. Chocolate brown and gold. Combination. Lastly, the chocolate brown and gold combo is the ultimate way to achieve a warm, luxurious look. Chocolate brown brings depth, while gold accents add luxury. Picture wearing a chocolate brown dress with gold jewelry. It's the perfect choice for a special dinner. This combo works well for both everyday and special occasions. For example, pairing a chocolate brown jacket with a gold accented blouse creates a striking look. Remember, gold details will always bring a sense of luxury. Today, we explored how to achieve a chic, luxurious look without breaking the bank. By using color combinations like cream and brown, navy and white, black and gold, and blush and grey, you can elevate your style while staying budget conscious. Don't forget, the right color combinations can make even the simplest pieces look high-end. It's also important to reflect your personal style through the details. Which combination are you excited to try? Or do you have your own favorite combos to share? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video, and until then, take care.